Today, we will demonstrate lead-through in auto mode on our 12 kg GoFa cobot. We are in auto mode with motors on. There is a valid safety configuration in place to be able to operate in auto mode. Let's get started by tapping the jog app. Continue by tapping the lead-through icon to the left. This takes us to the lead-through menu with the three modes axis, linear and reorient. Here we also find the lead-through speed settings. For this exercise we enable lead-through in axis mode. Now, lead-through is activated as indicated by the yellow icon on top. Putting the flex pendant aside, we can now use the lead-through function to move the cobot in axis mode. Next, we disable lead-through, select linear mode, and we enable the lead-through function again, and we can see that it is activated. Linear mode means that we are in a constrained form of lead-through. Let's move GoFa in linear mode. As before, we disable the lead-through function, then we select reorient mode and we enable the lead-through function once more. Now, let's try lead-through in reorient mode. Next, we disable the lead-through to demonstrate the lead-through speed. Let's select fast lead-through speed, axis mode and enable lead-through. Fast lead-through speed means that you will need less force to move the cobot. Coming back to the flex pendant, we first disable lead-through, then we set the lead-through speed to slow and enable lead-through once again. Slow lead-through speed means that you will need to apply more force to move the cobot. We then disable the lead-through function. Thanks for watching.